you guys have to work alone in the woods. That's actually a school, guys. By the way, that's a school. That's how small it is. I'm working here in the woods alone, working on the tower, so people can have around here Wi-Fi. Well, we give the internet through this with the antennas, and they can have phone, like a house phone, and have some good internet to do. A lot of people here in the woods actually doing work from home. A lot of nurses here, IT people. But this is what we do. It's so freezing cold here. Oh, I'm gonna go inside. I'm done. Done there. Oh man, so freaking cold. Yeah, so this is what we do. So all those cables, I don't know where they're going, probably right there. But yeah, it's not bad actually here. Batteries, so for example, if the power goes down, right, these batteries will kick in. We have a generator, powers all the cool stuff, right? And then we have one free Wi-Fi here, you know. This one most likely. So this, we have antenna goes around and stick in that corner pointing at the satellite thing, and this is what we have here. It's not bad, pretty cool. Connected to power bank, so even if this lose the power, that kicks in, we still have internet and the phone. So if anybody comes here and they have no cell service, free phone to call. I should start calling international. They really like it. Yeah, but this is what it is, guys. Pretty cool stuff, right?